Hello, and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. In several of the gadgets, the output selector for the bill of materials, there will be several gadgets that will have this. And these files are saved to your computer via the project path. Whenever you set up this path, which is required for the gadgets that have this, it sets this path up. This path is also handy for error finding for a file that's an export file that we can get from you from your computer and then import those settings into the cabinet maker gadget, and it will be identical to what you're seeing. We can actually see what you are seeing and try to find the error that's occurring or the issue you may be having with the particular gadget. Also, those bill of material files, there may be a cutless file, the HTML complete report you can bring up in your browser. You can review it. You can print it out from your browser, take it to your workshop, and either use it at the CNC as a reference, or you can take it to any one of your other tools, the table saw, bandsaw, cut the parts out there, especially the outer face frame. The outer face frame, as the gadget stands now, the cabinet maker gadget, the face frame, there are no tool paths created for the face frame. We are looking into the possibility of adding a dado to the face frame, and makes it easier to install on the face of your cabinet. But that's something that may come into a future version. Right now, we don't have any tool paths created for the face frame, which in this case here is sheet 3. You see there's no tool paths. So in this particular case, if you did want to cut it on a CNC, you could move these parts to sheet 1 and then use one of the profile tool paths that cut out these parts and add the face frame parts to that. And there you have it, cut the parts out. But anyway, get back to the RTF, the output selector of the gadget, which saves all these files to your computer. I'll go ahead and bring up my computer where I save all those files. And you can see that it's been done twice. You got your export file all the way through the kitchen wall RTF file. And then it does it again. So it's been done 3 times here. You can see 3 export files. The export file, like I said, that's for you to send us if you're having an issue with the gadget. And we can plug this in and it will show. In fact, if I double click on this and bring it over, it will show all the settings that you set up in the gadget, and it'll represent exactly what you're looking at versus what we're looking at. We can import that into the gadget and search and destroy to find the issue that's causing your problem. And of course, like I said, you bring your HTML file into your browser by double clicking on it, and then you can right click and print it to your printer. and it gives you all the information you need to take to your table saw, bandsaw, or any other tool that you want to use to cut the parts out with. So there you have it. A Oh goodness, the output selector of the gadget with the path, project path being set up to save all those files to your computer for future reference, whether it be an issue with the gadget or you're just wanting to take some information out to your workshop. Thank you for watching Shark Cut Up CNC.